Hello everyone! Today you are going to learn some English words. In this video, you are going to learn some snack foods. You will see their photos and their names in this video. Okay, are you ready? Snack food can be eaten during your break time in the school. What is snack? Snack is a small amount of food eaten between meals. They can provide energy in the middle of the day. Popcorn. Nachos. Soda. Hot dog. Chips. Ice cream. Pudding. Nuts. Cookies. Cheese. Yogurt. Juice. Milk. Cake. Donut. Cupcakes. Lollipops. Sandwich. Pizza. Pie. Waffle. Hamburger. Crackers. What do you have? I have some popcorn. What do you have? I have some soda.